Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Nate and Jeremiah is probably one of the most sought-after collections for homeowners looking to elevate their living spaces with sophisticated and stylish furniture, and today we're diving deep into what makes this brand a standout choice for discerning consumers seeking both aesthetic appeal and lasting quality in their home furnishings. Number 5. Big Nate, In Your Face. Volume 24. Prepare yourself for a hilarious collection of comic strips. This volume brings you even more of the signature humor you love. Dive into the chaotic and funny world of Nate Wright. Experience his everyday adventures and misadventures like never before. This is the definitive edition for fans of witty humor and relatable characters. It's packed with all the gags and situations you expect. The latest installment is here, delivering the same bold and in-your-face comedy. Get ready for a fresh batch of jokes and situations. If you're a fan of Big Nate, this is a must-have addition to your collection. It captures the essence of the series perfectly. Get ready to laugh out loud with this incredible collection. It's filled with the kind of humor that makes you want to read it again and again. What we like. This comic book delivers non-stop laughs with its hilarious stories and relatable characters. The engaging artwork brings every panel to life. If you're looking for a fun, light-hearted read that will keep you entertained, this is the one for you. What people say. The Nate and Jeremiah collection is a beautiful and high-quality line of furniture. The pieces are well-made and sturdy, with a modern and stylish design. The collection offers a variety of options to fit different needs and preferences. Number 4. House Story, Perfect Home Renovation. Dreaming of a home renovation? Discover the insider secrets to achieving the perfect transformation. We'll guide you through every step. Get expert advice on planning and executing your home renovation. Learn how to avoid common pitfalls and maximize your budget. See how visions for a perfect home become reality. We share the strategies and insights you need to make your renovation a success. Unlock the secrets that professionals use for flawless renovations. Gain the knowledge to create a space you'll love for years to come. This is your ultimate guide to a perfect home renovation. We provide the essential tips and tricks for a stress-free and beautiful outcome. What we like. Unlock the secrets to a flawless home renovation with this insider guide. It's packed with expert advice and practical budgeting tips to save you money and stress. If you're planning a renovation, big or small, and want to avoid common pitfalls, this is an essential resource. What people say. The Nate and Jeremiah collection is a beautiful and well-made line of furniture. The pieces are sturdy and have a modern yet timeless design that fits well with various decor styles. The assembly process was straightforward and the instructions were clear. Number 3. Custom Wood Birthday Cake Topper. Make any celebration extra special with our custom name cake toppers. Crafted from real wood, they add a personal touch to birthdays, baby showers, and graduations. Easily personalize your topper by clicking the Customize Now button. Begin your journey to create a unique keepsake that perfectly fits your event. These handcrafted toppers are ideal for birthdays, baby showers, gender reveals, bridal showers, and many more life events. Celebrate every stage with a personal touch. Each topper is handmade with care. We guarantee a replacement if your cake topper arrives broken, ensuring you receive a perfect piece for your celebration. This beautiful topper is more than just decoration, it's a memento that can be cherished for years. You can even reuse it for future celebrations or explore new designs. Painted on all sides and featuring a protective case, our toppers are built to last. The height varies based on the name or characters, ensuring a unique fit. What we like. Add a personal touch to your celebrations with this beautifully crafted wooden cake topper. It's fully customizable to match your event's theme and made from real wood for a lasting keepsake. If you want a unique and memorable decoration for birthdays, baby showers, or graduations, this topper is the perfect choice. What people say. The Nate and Jeremiah furniture is well made and sturdy. The design of the Nate and Jeremiah furniture is modern and stylish. The Nate and Jeremiah furniture is easy to assemble. Number 2. Live Beautiful. Discover a new way to live. Embrace the beauty that surrounds you every day. Transform your home into a sanctuary of style and comfort. It's time to create the atmosphere you've always dreamed of. Bring the tranquility and elegance of the outdoors in. Experience designs that are both timeless and refreshing. Each piece is thoughtfully created to enhance your lifestyle. Enjoy quality and beauty in every detail. Make your living space a reflection of your personal style. Start your journey to a more beautiful life today. What we like. Discover how to create a home that truly reflects your style with this visually stunning guide. It's filled with inspiring decor ideas and practical tips for personalizing your living space. If you're seeking to elevate your home's aesthetic and make it feel uniquely yours, this book will provide endless inspiration. What people say. The Nate and Jeremiah collection offers a wide range of stylish and functional furniture pieces that can transform any living space. Customers appreciate the quality craftsmanship and durable materials used in the Nate and Jeremiah products, ensuring longevity and value. The collection features a variety of designs, from modern to classic, allowing for seamless integration into different home decor styles. Number 1. Home Rules, Live Better. Are you looking to make your home a more enjoyable place to be? We can help you turn your current living space into one you truly love. Imagine a home that perfectly reflects your style and needs. With our guidance, you can achieve that dream. It's time to fall in love with your home again. We provide the tools and inspiration to make that happen. Your home is unique, and your solutions should be too. We offer personalized approaches to enhance your living experience. Discover how simple changes can create a more comfortable and inspiring environment. Let us help you create the perfect atmosphere. What we like. Learn how to transform your living space into a place you'll absolutely love with actionable advice. It focuses on creating a harmonious and functional environment. If you're looking to make meaningful improvements to your home and foster a greater sense of comfort and belonging, this guide offers the perfect roadmap. What people say. This is a great crib. It is very sturdy and well made. The crib is easy to assemble and looks beautiful in the nursery. I love the adjustable mattress height feature. It makes it so much easier to get the baby in and out of the crib. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.